excited to open up this 12-in-1 science experiment. Hey! Hey Jay! I was just talking about this 12-in-1 science experiment.
Oh, let's get ready for this.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was good. So let's go. So it says to get a parent to help you. Okay, so the first one we're doing is the ultraviolet bead. And the materials that you need is 1 cord and 15 ultraviolet beads. The procedure. Begin by stringing the ultraviolet beads on the cord, making a bracelet.
Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that one too.
So what it says on the card is that you have to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes so it can start changing color.
Let's get to the next experiment.
One pack of marble pebbles, which are these ones. 1 small cup, 1 napkin or paper towel. And it says to leave it into the water for 2 minutes so it can start growing. Then once it stops growing, you're going to take out the water, put it on the paper towel, and leave it there for a few minutes. Once it dries, it'll become marbles. So guys, look how it looks. It looks so crystal.
Yeah, crystal looks like this one, this red one.
So while it dries, we are going to go on to the next experiment. Next one that we are going to do is the blast off rocket. The materials are 1 rocket, fuel pellet pack, and the citric acid and water. Remove the cap from the bottom of the rocket, which is this right here. Fill the removed cap with water 2 times. So the first one that we're going to put in is the sodium. So guys, this is time sensitive, which is kind of hard for me and my brother, but we're going to try it.
Yeah.
So what it says, after you put all of the citric acid, you gotta quickly, you guys gotta quickly put on the cap. Okay guys, so it might have something happen. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's good. Okay, get ready. Oh, something bubbly. Go! Put it on! Jeez. Okay guys, so the next experiment that we're going to do is the gooey slime. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to pour it into the cup. You're going to add 1 ounce of warm water to the cup. Gently from the thing. Yeah. Whoa. Then it says, watch the slime powder expand. It's pretty good. I mean, it turned out really good. It's very sticky. So the first thing is 1 paper tree, 1 bag of crystal solution, and 1 plastic base. The procedure is to form the paper tree, take the 2 tree pieces and intersect them. Then it says separate all of the branches on the tree by bending them in different directions. So for this experiment, we are doing the blooming crystal. So the materials are 3 blooming crystals, which is the green, pink, and blue. Then 1 plastic container and water. Place the gel cubes into the plastic container. So my brother's gonna do that.
It's sticky.
Yeah, it's squishy and sticky at first, but it's gonna get hard. Then it says fill the container completely with water. So I'm going to pour it in. Then allow the cubes to sit in the water for 3 minutes. When the crystals stop growing, drain the excess water from the container. So we're gonna wait 3 minutes and we'll be right back. Guys, we left it in for 3 minutes in the water. Then it says to take them out and leave them on a paper towel to dry. But as you can see, it's not like how it used to be with like all sticky and stuff. It's like growing these little things on it.
Yeah, now it's transforming into crystals.
Crystals. So I think we have to leave it outside for a bit. Materials are 3 bags of amazing sand, 1 clear container with a lid, and water. Fill your container with water. My brother's gonna pick the color.
I really want to pick
Green. Green sand it is. So we're gonna cut the corner very carefully. Okay. And then my brother's going to pour it in. Whoa! Look at it on the bottom, you guys! It's like all shiny. See that?
I really want to.
So once you cut the corner on the bag and put in, you slowly pour in the sand into the container. As the sand is poured into the container, it will hold its shape and can even be molded underwater. So that's actually really cool.
Okay.
Then it says, pour out the water and your sand is dry.
Ooh, now it's gonna be rainbow sand, guys.
Well, now that we took out the water, look, it turned into dry sand again.
Look,
Wait, what is that?
it's so jiggly.
It's a bubble, but it's not popping. The marbles, they didn't really grow into the marbles that I thought they were going to turn into. The crystal ones didn't really turn into crystals. They just stuck out like little stuff on it.
I give these 2 thumbs down. Like
Yeah.
this
The
and
sand. So you guys like the sand?
Yeah, the sand was pretty fun. I like that it's reusable and that it's it forms underwater, but it's regular sand when it's out of water. So guys, if you didn't get it on the first try, don't worry. Science is all about trial and error. So guys, as always, make sure to subscribe and
give us a thumbs up.
if you like it, bye.